Imagine stepping outside on a freezing winter morning, the wind biting at your cheeks, and seeing your car buried under a thick layer of ice and snow. Your first thought, not again. But what if I told you that all this chaos, frozen wipers, icy locks, salt-covered paint, is quietly draining your wallet and stealing hours of your life, all without you even noticing? By the end of this video, you'll know 13 insanely simple winter tricks that will keep your car sparkling, safe, and stress-free, even in the harshest conditions. And the final trick. It's almost forbidden knowledge, something mechanics rarely share, and it could save you thousands. Stick with me, because your car's winter survival starts here. Let's begin where most drivers never think to protect: your car's paint and wheels. Winter storms are relentless. Salt, slush, and grime pound at your finish every day, forming micro scratches that invite rust. But there's a trick that turns your car into an invisible fortress: ceramic spray sealant. Imagine a slick, invisible armor coating every curve, every rim. Salt slides off effortlessly, mud washes away, and snow refuses to stick. Suddenly, cleaning isn't a chore, it's almost effortless. Spray-on formulas are DIY-friendly, fast, and affordable, while professional coatings offer a more lasting shield. Even older cars or those with wax can benefit. The bonus: glossy paint, repelled grime, and peace of mind. Think of it as preparing your car for battle long before the first snow falls. And remember, skip WD-40, this isn't a paint job hack. It's a solvent, and it can dull your finish instead of protecting it. While your exterior shines like new, your engine quietly demands protection of its own. Enter the 50/50 antifreeze water mix. Most drivers think antifreeze is a summer essential. Wrong. It's your engine's all-season bodyguard. This balance prevents freezing in winter and avoids overheating later. Always check the coolant when the engine is cold, never hot. Low levels can lead to cracked radiators, blown hoses, or even an engine overhaul that costs thousands. Too much water freezes. Too much antifreeze hampers heat transfer. Use a tester to confirm protection against extreme cold. Frozen coolant expands fast, threatening hoses, radiators, and engine blocks. Don't overlook corrosion, either. Antifreeze protects metal surfaces inside, while plain water leads to rust and restricted flow, weakening vital components like the water pump. Add oil, brake fluid, and windshield washer checks to the mix, and you've got a system that runs smooth, even when winter is at its worst. Next, let's talk tires. Cold air silently sabotages them overnight. One drop in temperature, and your PSI is already lower, often without you noticing. Low tire pressure changes everything. Vague steering, longer braking distances, less traction on snow, and even lower fuel efficiency. Check your tires at least twice a week in winter, always when they're cold. Use the number on the driver's side door jamb, not the sidewall. Properly inflated tires grip better, wear evenly, and last longer. Combine this with a little-known $1 hack, the Pool Noodle Wiper Protector, and your mornings transform. Slice a foam noodle lengthwise and slide it over your wiper blades. Ice can't glue them to the glass. Snow brushes off faster. Blades last longer. Simple, cheap, and genius. Fuel is often underestimated in winter. Keeping your gas tank at least half full isn't just a habit, it's a survival tactic. Cold air creates condensation inside your tank, water can freeze in fuel lines, and engines can stall without warning. Half-full tanks reduce air volume, limit moisture formation, and coat metal surfaces to slow corrosion. Fuel efficiency takes a hit in winter anyway. Thickened oil, transmission friction, idling, defrosters, all burn extra fuel. Keeping a safety buffer could mean the difference between a simple commute and being stranded in a snowstorm. Winter isn't just rough on metal, it attacks every seal and gasket. Rubber freezes, cracks, and locks doors, trunks, and hatches. A simple spray of rubber seal protectant or silicone spray keeps doors soft, flexible, and water-resistant. Clean the grooves first, then spray every edge. Graphite spray in key locks prevents frozen frustration. The benefits extend beyond convenience. Flexible seals stop leaks, prevent cracks, and keep corrosion at bay. Beneath the car, rust quietly wages war. Road salt and grime attack your frame, brake lines, and suspension. Weekly washes aren't enough. You need a thorough undercarriage wash every 1 to 2 weeks, blasting wheel wells, frame edges, and hidden corners. For extra defense, a rubberized or oily undercoating forms an invisible shield against rust. Just a single neglected panel can spiral into a $1,500 repair nightmare. Think of this as armor for your car's skeleton. Inside, your vehicle faces a different kind of assault. Snow and salt invade your carpets and upholstery, staining and degrading fibers. Fabric protectants create a waterproof barrier, letting mud, snow, and spills wipe away effortlessly. Clean first, then coat high-traffic areas, driver and passenger seats, mats, and entry points. Reapply every few months or after professional cleaning. The result: vibrant, protected interiors with far less effort and fewer chemicals. Visibility is non-negotiable. Frosted windows cost time, and scrapers often do more harm than good. Never pour hot water, it can crack glass. Instead, a proper glass de-icer softens ice chemically. Spray, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and watch ice break apart naturally. Wipers can finish the job without scraping, saving your blades and preserving clear vision when it matters most. Even the tools you use to remove snow can protect, or harm, your car. Metal scrapers and hard brushes leave micro scratches that invite rust. Instead, microfiber-covered brushes glide over paint, lifting snow gently. Start with loose snow or use a leaf blower to reduce friction. Focus on edges and corners. Snow loves hiding there. Soft, patient strokes prevent scratches and maintain your car's clear coat. Battery health is another silent winter killer. Cold mornings thicken engine oil, demanding more from your battery. An old or weak battery may fail completely. Start with a visual check for corrosion, listen for slow clicks, and test voltage. Most batteries last 3 to 5 years. A $200 replacement now saves $1,000 plus in potential repairs later. Your starter, alternator, and peace of mind all benefit. Extreme cold can even harm your engine before you turn the key. Thickened motor oil, stiffened gear lube, and hardened bearings are all silently stressing your car. Block heaters keep oil, bearings, and transmission components warm, making start smooth and preventing thousands in invisible wear. Pair with a battery blanket or engine pad, and your car is winter-ready before you even start your engine. Finally, your vehicle's exterior faces the ultimate test: snow, ice, and trapped moisture. A durable, water-resistant car cover keeps salt, grime, and snow off paint, panels, and critical components. Even a $50 to $70 cover can save hundreds or thousands in repair costs. Combine with proper snow removal, and your car remains glossy, ice-free, and winter-proof. And one last, almost secret trick: switch to winter-grade oil. Cold thickens your standard oil, slowing flow to pistons, bearings, and camshafts. Seasonal oil changes, from 0W20/W30 in winter to 5W30/W30 in summer. Ensure instant lubrication and smooth starts. Friction drops, engine life extends, and every startup becomes a stress-free moment. Check your manual to avoid warranty issues, but don't underestimate the difference this small switch makes. Winter doesn't play fair. But with these 13 tricks, from ceramic sealants to block heaters, fuel strategies to microfiber snow brushes, you can glide through the season worry-free. Your car stays glossy, rust-free, and mechanically healthy. Spend a little now to save hundreds, even thousands, later. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insider car care secrets, and comment below. Let me know which country you're watching from and your top winter car hack. And don't stop here. Check out the next video where we reveal a simple trick that makes your car's AC blow twice as hot in winter.